Hello, we're looking at example 1 in your pre-calculus part 1 textbook. This is under lesson 1-5, found on page 193. Example number 1 is about how to write the equation of a line that's parallel to an already given line. So if you see here, it wants us to write an equation of a line that passes through negative 3, 1, and it's parallel to the line whose equation is y equals 2x plus 1. Then it wants us to express that in point-slope form and then in slope-intercept form. The reason that they tell us to do point-slope form is because you've been given a point and you've been given, from this equation of a line, you can know what the slope is. So when you know a point and a line, then you can, the best thing to use is what we call the point-slope form of the line. So you can see the picture, they've just so you can visualize it. This is 2x plus 1 right here, the blue line, and they're wanting us to create this purple line, a line that's parallel to this one and goes specifically through negative 3, 1. So we're looking for the equation of the red line, or in this case it looks purple to me, shown on the left here. How do we obtain this equation? Notice that the line passes through the point negative 3, 1. Using the point-slope form of the line of the equation, all we do is we put negative 3 in for x1, we put 1 in for y1 right here and right here in the equation, so it's y minus, and we're going to plug in the 1, equals slope, which is what m always represents, and then x minus negative 3. Now, when we do that, let me screen down here a little bit. What you'll notice is we have to know what our slope is, because we know what our y1 is, we know what our x1 is. Our slope is going to come from the slope of the equation that was given to us, which is right here. Slope is always the number in front of the x value when you're in slope-intercept form. So that would be 2. So we just simply plug all these things in. 1 in for y, 2 in for m, and negative 3 in for the x. Okay. Now, we go over to the top of the next page. What you're going to find is that's exactly what they did here. Now, if we clean this up, when you have a minus and minus, of course that turns into a plus. So it's y minus 1 equals 2 times x plus 3. That is point-slope form right there. It's very easy to turn that into slope-intercept form. We're going to distribute the 2 to the x and the 3 here. And when we do, we'll get 2x plus 6. And then all we have to do is add this 1 over to this side, which ends up making it 7. So in slope-intercept form, the equation of the line is y equals 2x plus 7. Okay? And that's a pretty easy problem to be able to do if you know to use that point-slope form when you're being able to do that. Okay, hope this was helpful.